Mr. and Mrs. Ryan are talking about the plan for the coming weekend.
Let's take the children to the beach this weekend.
We went to the beach last weekend.
But the kids like the beach.
Okay then. Last week, we went to Marina Beach. How about taking them to Barranan Beach this weekend?
Well, how about Semilier Beach? It is more beautiful.
Semilier Beach might be more beautiful with its white sand. But it's always crowded on the weekends.
Yes, that's true. But we can go earlier to reserve a place before other visitors come.
Well, I don't know. I'm not sure the kids can get up early on the weekends.
You're right. I forgot about that.
Well, let's go to Barranan Beach then.
Frankly speaking, I don't like Barranan Beach. There is something about it that I don't feel comfortable with.
I understand, you don't like the souvenirs sellers at the beach.
Yeah. They are too many, and they usually become pushy.
Yeah. So, where will we go on this weekend?
How about Marina Beach?
Again. Oh, okay.